As the economy takes a turn for the worse, it's easy to feel uncertain about the future, but some of the biggest investors out there are more confident than ever. They've found a stock that they believe will not only weather the storm of the coming recession, but also make every shareholder filthy rich. In this video, we'll reveal the identity of this mysterious stock and explain why it's generating so much buzz among the investment community. Watch now to find out which stock investment sharks will be putting money on. As the economy takes a turn for the worse and we brace for an upcoming recession, it's important to be strategic about where you put your money. While many companies are struggling to adapt to the challenges of the past year, Dollar General has even gained value during this difficult time. Second and third quarter earnings show that the company is performing well in the challenging macroeconomic environment, with the net sales jumping 9% to $9.4 billion. Dollar General has also continued to expand its store base, opening 227 new locations in the period and bringing its total to 18,566 as of July. And the company's management is optimistic about the future, with expectations for net sales growth of 11% and earnings per share growth of 12 to 14%. With a forward price to earnings ratio of 23.85, Dollar General is reasonably valued compared to the S&P 500 average of 18.4. But it's not just about the numbers. Dollar General's business model is built on offering low prices on a wide range of products, from food and household items to personal care and seasonal items. This focus on value has helped the company attract a loyal customer base and maintain a strong market share even during the times of economic uncertainty. In short, Dollar General is the perfect stock to own during the upcoming recession. Its financials are solid, and its business model is well suited to weathering the upcoming recession. But who are those mysterious shareholders who know the drill? Most of the time we'll be talking about the investment holdings rather than about any particular people, but I do have a surprise guest for you. Vanguard Group is a leading investment management company that is known for its low-cost index funds. The company is one of the largest mutual fund and ETF providers in the world, with over $6 trillion in assets under management. Vanguard is known for its passive investment approach, which involves tracking the performance of a particular market index rather than trying to outperform it. Dollar General is one of the Vanguard's notable holdings with 7.6% stake. Vanguard owns 17,144,463 shares of Dollar General, which are currently valued at $245.42 per share. This means that Vanguard's stake in Dollar General is worth approximately $4.2 billion. Over the past year, the price of Dollar General's shares has increased by 4.08%. This means that Vanguard has earned an additional $168 million from its stake in the company. If the 10 to 14% growth projections for Dollar General are accurate, this could lead to significant revenue growth for Vanguard Group. Based on the current value of Vanguard's stake in the company, if the share price increases by 14%, this would result in an additional $34.34 per share. Multiplying this by the number of shares owned, we get a total additional earnings of $594,932,842. Another big investor is Jaina Partners LLC, a hedge fund known for its activism, which involves taking large stakes in undervalued companies and then advocating for changes that will increase shareholder value. Jaina Partners has a reputation for successfully pushing for changes such as asset sales, management shakeups, and board member replacements. Jaina Partners LLC now has a 3.57% stake in Dollar General, owning 8,058,007 shares. This means that the hedge fund's stake in Dollar General is worth approximately $1.97 billion. Over the past year, as the price of Dollar General shares has increased, Jaina Partners has earned an additional $80 million from its stake in the company. At the low end of the growth projection range, which is about 10%, Jaina Partners could earn an additional $196,801,007 from its stake in Dollar General. At the midpoint of the range, 12%. The hedge fund's earnings would increase by $237,676,844, and at the high end of the range, 14%. Jana Partners could earn an additional $278,652,680 from its investment in Dollar General. The next big investor that puts faith in Dollar General is Lone Pine Capital LLC. This hedge fund is known for its focus on technology and healthcare companies. Using a combination of fundamental analysis and quantitative techniques, the hedge fund has a track record of identifying attractive investment opportunities. Lone Pine Capital's stake in Dollar General is 5.73% or 12,918,112 shares. This means that Lone Pine Capital's stakes in Dollar General is worth approximately $3.17 billion. As the stock price has increased in 2022, Lone Pine Capital has earned $533 million from its stake in the company. If the 10 to 14% growth projections for Dollar General are accurate, this could lead to even greater earnings for the hedge fund. At the midpoint of the projected range, 12%. Lone Pine Capital's earnings from Dollar General would increase by an additional $356,051,344. As with many hedge funds, the names of individual investors at Lone Pine Capital are kept private. But what is clear is that the firm has a strong track record and a solid investment in Dollar General, making it a potentially lucrative opportunity. The next investor isn't that big, but it's certainly well known. JP Morgan Investment Management. JP Morgan Investment Management is a division of JP Morgan Chase, one of the largest financial institutions in the world. The division is known for its diverse range of investment products, including mutual funds, ETFs, and separate accounts. JP Morgan Investment Management owns a 1.36% stake in Dollar General, or 3,072,426 shares. This means that JP Morgan Investment Management's stake in Dollar General at $245.42 per share is worth approximately $753 million. Over the past year, JP Morgan Investment Management has earned an additional $127 million from its stake in Dollar General. If the 10 to 14% growth projections for Dollar General are accurate, at the low end of the growth projection range at 10%, JP Morgan Investment Management could earn an additional $89,939,726 from its stake in Dollar General. At the midpoint of the range, 12%. The division's earnings would increase by $89,726,512, and at the high end of the range, at 14%, JP Morgan Investment Management could earn an additional $89,512,497 from its investment in Dollar General. And the final investor, the mystery investor, is… drumroll please, Markel. Markel? Who? I will surprise you, I promise. Markel Corporation is an insurance company that is closely linked to Berkshire Hathaway, the multinational conglomerate led by renowned investor Warren Buffett. Often referred to as a key holding for Berkshire Hathaway, Markel serves as a vehicle for Warren Buffett to invest in a wide range of industries and earn additional income. Markel has a reputation for its conservative approach to risk management and its focus on long-term value creation. Dollar General is one of Markel's investments that has been performing well in 2022. Markel owns 170,250 shares of Dollar General, or 0.07%, which at $245.42 per share translate to a stake worth approximately $41.8 million. Over the past year, this investment has earned Buffett an additional $7.1 million. If the 10 to 14% growth projections for Dollar General are accurate, this could mean that at the low end of the range, 10%, Buffett could earn an additional $4.18 million. At the midpoint, 12%. The company's earnings would increase by $5.02 million, and at the high end of the range at 14%, Buffett could earn an additional $5.86 million from its investment in Dollar General. Based on the performance of Dollar General in recent months and the growth projections for the company, it's clear that the discount retailer could be a lucrative investment opportunity in the coming year. The strong financial performance of Dollar General, coupled with the backing of prominent investors investors like Vanguard Group, Chain of Partners LLC, and Warren Buffett makes it a company worth considering. It's also worth noting that Dollar General has a track record of weathering economic challenges and has even seen growth during the current recession. It's important to remember that the information in this video is for entertainment and informational purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. If you're considering investing in Dollar General or any other company, it's always a good idea to do your own research and consult with a professional before making any decisions. I will emphasize once again that everything you hear in this video is not financial advice. We are neither an investment advisory service nor an investment advisor. Data and information provided are solely for educational purposes.